just cut some big duck pool print for IWM. You know, the index, the Russell index. As you can see, is the institution is very bullish. I mean, very bearish on this rate. The expiration day is next week. Next 09 is what, next week? What next week? Okay, next Friday. And the other one is expired this week. So someone or some institution is very bearish on this one, and there's a leave option, $6 million on the downside. So I guess I just follow on this trade, and then I put a $10 10 contract, 10 contract on this trade, and see how it goes. In a couple of days.